In this tutorial, we're going to create a vanishing coin effect. So if you're interested, follow me. I already dragged my footage into the timeline. Let's delete the audio, like that. Let's put the playhead at the beginning. Play. Pause. Hit the S button. Split it. Pause. Hit the S button to split it. Pause, hit the S button to split. And pause, hit the S button to split as well. So now let's go back and let's get rid of the shadow and the hands. So I want to go just before the shadow and the hands get in there. There. Hit the S key. Delete this one. The S key. S key. Delete that. The S key. Delete that. Key or button or whatever. The last one. There, hit the S key, delete that. Now let's do a crossfade. So let's do say 319 crossfade. $17, that's fine. Not gonna notice it. 16, that's fine. At the end. E17, and make it a little shorter. So when you play it back, let's reduce this down to auto. So when you play it back, it looks something like this. So that's all you have to do to create a disappearing act. You can use any prop you want. Stuff on a kitchen counter, stuff on a desk, computers, any single thing you want to remove. This is the way you do it. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.